Welcome to City Grillin'. My name's Rob Vore. Hey, in this episode, I'm gonna do a brisket. I'm a beginner at cooking brisket. I've only done one other brisket that was kind of pre-done. I'm recording this myself today, so it might be a little shaky, a little messed up on the camera, but let's give it a try. Here we go. Okay, my brisket has been marinating for 2 days with this rub. There's a little, I can't remember all the seasonings I have on here, but I'm gonna save this. So when I get ready to wrap it in the parchment paper, I'm gonna add this liquid to it. All right, I have my grill set up. I'm gonna take my brisket out and place it fat side down right there on the grill grates. I've got a probe to measure my temperature here. Eventually I'll put one into the meat too. I have some wood chips as well to start smoking this thing. So this is gonna cook for probably 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, we'll see. Once I get a nice kind of crust on the meat, then I'll take it out. Okay, it's been a good maybe 4.5 hours cooking this brisket, so let's take a look. I have my probe in it. It's looking really good. I'm gonna try to keep this probe in it, I think. I've got another thermometer I can use. I'm gonna bring this out, carefully bring this out. Wish I had my gloves to do this, but I don't. I'm gonna bring this out, stick it on my parchment paper, just like so. I have a little leftover sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle this on here, just like that. That's gonna make it nice. The brisket is about 170 degrees right now, right? So we'll go ahead and wrap this up. Move my cord out of the way. Just like that, little wrapping paper for it. I want to keep that fat side down, so I'm just going to bring this over like that. Maybe bring this up to the top. Kind of tightly pack that in. Ooh, a little bit of that sauce came out. That's fine. Oh, that'll be nice. Place it back on the grill. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to get dark. You know, this has been roasting all day long out here in the Weber grill, right? So I've used the temperature probes. I'm gonna go ahead and place it out here on this tray. I'm gonna see if I can pull out my probe. I hope so. I want to take that inside. We'll take this inside, see what it's looking like. I'll get this probe out, it's hot, right? I smoked it a bit too, so we'll take this inside and see what it looks like. All right, I brought the brisket in. I'm not gonna leave it in a cooler for an hour or two. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it because guess what? I am starving. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice the brisket. Wow, look at that. It feels nice. It comes right apart when I start to cut this. My knife isn't the sharpest in the world, but I can tell that is delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and slice off a small piece for myself there. And I'm just gonna grab that, give it a try. Ooh, the flavoring. Wow. Delicious. This is working. I like it. Tastes good. The rub is good that I used. It's a little sweet too. It's got a little kick to it. I like it. Get the recipe at citygrillin.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is only the second time I've done a brisket. It takes a lot of experience to do a brisket, but this tastes pretty good for what it is.